Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by prepping the image and opening settings. Make sure the photo is JPG, PNG, or BMP and under 10 MB to avoid scaling issues. Once done, place it in the Pictures folder or plug in a drive so you can easily browse. Now open Start, type Settings, and navigate to Personalization, then Lock Screen. This gets you straight into the right panel. You need the lock screen controls visible before changing the image, so don't skip this step. Now select and configure the image. Choose background and pick picture rather than spotlight or slideshow so your chosen photo is fixed. Click Browse, navigate to the file you prepared, and select it. You'll see an immediate preview. Make sure the composition and scaling look correct. If not, edit the photo to match your screen aspect ratio, then reselect. Also toggle the option to show the lock screen background on the sign-in screen if you want consistency between lock and sign-in views. Finish by verifying and addressing problems. Lock the PC with Windows key plus L to check how the image displays in real use. This reveals alignment and cropping. If the photo looks pixelated or badly cropped, replace it with an image that matches your display resolution or edit it to the right aspect ratio and reapply. If settings won't accept the file, move the picture to a local folder like Pictures or confirm you have file permissions. Once resolved, reselect and your lock screen will update immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.